Over a year ago now, I bought this smashed up BMW 335D from Copart with my YouTube ad revenue. The plan was to buy the car, tidy it all up, make it a nice thing, and give it back to one of my subscribers for free. Since then, we've had the whole car repaired, we swapped out the old wheels for some fresh new ones, replaced the steering wheel for a nice Alcantara one, big thanks to Control Custom Steering Wheels for that, stuck some new plates on it courtesy of YourCarReg, and had it tuned at VRS in Northampton, so it's now quite a nice thing. And in today's video, we're going to be finally meeting the new owner who's won this car for free.
Ringing, it's ringing. Is that the right number? Hello, is that Kyle? You're live now on the Instagram, so yeah, you've won the BMW 335D, mate. Congratulations. So you could do with a new car then, by the sounds of things.
Yeah, speeds up and by the way, come at the right time.
Oh my God, well, Happy New Year, mate.
Guys, just quickly before we get on with this video, the Civic Type R, just here. I'm giving this Civic Type R away for free to one of my followers. Yeah, this Civic Type R here, guys, one of you lot are going to be winning this coming Friday at midday on the Planet of Dreams Instagram. If you've not entered yourself for a chance to win this car, head over to the website. The link is in the description below, and the main rule is you must be a subscriber of my channel, because all of these cars are bought with YouTube ad revenue. In fact, this car here was actually bought with funds generated from my car event back in June, so thanks to everyone who came to that, but pretty much all of them are funded by YouTube ad revenue. All right, so let's have a little look inside. Yeah, nice thing, isn't it? Cosmic grey facelift car. That's it. Go and get on it. Which one's Kyle then? You, Kyle? Kyle, man. Good to meet ya. Congratulations, man.
Thank you. I appreciate it, man.
Have you seen your new car, yeah?
Yeah, I've already walked past it. It's quiet, isn't it?
It's quiet. It goes well, though.
Yeah, I've seen you go in it. I've seen you go in it.
Have a little look round it, man.
No, it's very nice, man, honestly.
So the boys are just giving it a clean up for you. Yeah, it's a nice car, man. I've obviously had it over a year,
nice,
so yeah, it's sat around for a bit, but I think it needs.
I can remember when you brought it in.
A long while ago, wasn't it?
Yeah, a long time ago.
It's gonna need a good drive.
Yeah, this and both the TTs at the same time.
That's it. Yeah, we got all three of them about the same sort of time.
I've seen you buy one TT, and then I seen another one coming. I'm like, what's Calvin up to here? He's got TTs.
Yeah, going TT mad. So whereabouts you from?
Stoke,
yeah.
Yeah.
What's that, about 2 hours away, is it?
Yeah, 2 hours.
What did you drive down in?
My mate's Astra.
An Astra, yeah?
Yeah.
So what car do you drive at the minute?
Astra H.
Astra H, yeah? Is it?
Well, what happened is there's a big load of events. I lost my key a couple of weeks ago.
The key to the Astra, yeah?
Yeah, in Leeds. And like, obviously, keys aren't cheap, like, and I've gone for I was going to pay for it the day you said I'd won. Yeah. And then I'm like, I'm not paying for the key. Like, I just left it. I'm like, that Astra can wait now. Like.
Oh really? So the Astra's just been parked up now?
Yeah, it's just parked up on the driveway at the moment. Like it's been stuck there for like 2-3 weeks now. Like, but like, yeah, it's just stuck there.
Now you've got a new car. You don't need to think about the Astra.
No.
So your plan is to keep hold of this then?
Yeah, definitely.
This is gonna be your new daily, yeah?
Yeah, even the Astra. Like I've spent more than the car's worth.
Yeah.
Doing it up. Like,
oh really?
I had a broke turbo when I brought it. I fixed the turbo, and then I brought smoked lights for it. Piano blacked all the interior.
So it must look quite nice then.
It's not too bad. Like it's got the Ashmere grill and stuff like that, but it's only a diesel.
That's alright.
It's not a Vixer. Like I wish I had the Vixer.
BMWs? Are you a BMW man?
I haven't been.
Really?
I really haven't. Like
Vauxhalls and Fords, yeah?
I've just seen yours out there.
It looks nice.
On the cameras. It doesn't do justice.
It looks amazing, doesn't it?
It looks amazing. Like honestly, that looks clean out there. It looks spanking.
Yeah, well, you're now part of the BMW club, man.
Part of the Calvin.
Yeah, part of the Calvin club. So what we'll do is we'll jump in it in a sec. We'll go for a little drive. We'll let you drive it, yeah? We'll head inside and go out for a drive in a sec, all right?
Yeah.
We're ready to rock and roll, mate. Let's go. Be the first drive. This is like Kyle's first drive in his new car.
First drive with the new Beamer.
So, Holden, when was the last time you drove an auto? Because I can see you using 2 feet.
Yeah, I'm used to it.
So your left foot, put it to one side. Don't just leave your...
I know. My mate, when he did teach me before, he's like, just forget about your left foot.
Forget about your left foot.
just something more I'm not used to. I'm just used to clutch.
Just, yeah, that brake pedal is not a clutch, because if you press it with your left foot, we're going through the windscreen, mate. Steering wheel feels nice though, doesn't it?
Really nice. I've never felt one. Alcantara.
Yeah, it feels nice, doesn't it? Yeah, there's a few little potholes in that round here, mate. It's nice for me to finally give this car away, because it's just been sat around all this time.
Well, I'm not going to be driving it back anyway. My mate is, he's going to have them.
Yeah, you said he's driving it back, yeah.
I said to him, like, because obviously the motorways are just full of cameras and whatnot,
Yeah.
like, so I said when we get back to our local area in the local little lanes, put your foot down a little bit, like,
Yeah.
enjoy it,
Have a little feel for the
have a
power.
little go of it.
Go right here.
I noticed that road as soon as we got on it.
Oh, you're familiar with it?
Yeah, I was like, this is the road.
This is
we're
the
on it.
road. Everyone knows this road. Go on, have a little feel
Look,
for this.
this nice and smooth, this is.
Smooth, isn't it? Really talky.
Oh wow, that is talking.
It's quick, isn't it?
That is talking, nice.
Diesels are funny because they don't make no noise, do they?
No, this is, I love diesels for that fact. Like, I like the, don't get me wrong, everyone goes on about the sounds of the Honda Civics, the VTEC and the raspy sounds and everything, but there's nothing better than a good thing, is it?
Good tuned diesel, they feel, it's the power delivery, man, they're just so good. So let's talk about you, man. What are you doing for work at the minute?
I'm currently out of work at the moment, like.
Really?
Yeah, I was working in Leeds, putting up stages for JLS.
Events, that sort of thing.
Yeah. And then it all went kaput, kind of.
Because of COVID, I suppose.
Yeah, well, yeah, because of COVID, and everything's just stress related, and then all my car situation with me losing my key, everything's just been going downhill for me.
Really?
Since COVID's hit, I've had a harsh 2 years.
Oh, have you really?
Really harsh, and then getting into work, and then I lost my keys, and then it was just one thing after another. It just seemed like
I suppose
it was never ending. That's what it felt like. And then, yeah.
And then I rang you and told you just want a car. So, what's the plans for the new year then? So, you're obviously new year now. What's the crack with work? Have you had much luck finding any work?
I'm meant to be going at JCB, which is pretty local to us, like, because someone who I know, seeing the rough time I was going through, he's like, he rang me, he's like, is everything all right? And I'm like, yeah, everything's fine. Like, he's like, you just not seeing yourself, and your social medias aren't normally like your normal. And
Being a bit quiet, yeah.
Yeah, and then so he says, I can get you on at my place. I can put you on at JCB. I know a couple of good people who can put in a good word for you, and you'll be welding, just welding tractors, which I can weld anyway.
Oh, that's good. So you're a welder.
I've done it since I was a kid.
Yeah,
so
yeah.
I've always been a hands-on sort of person. Like, I've always been mechanically minded. Like, I can change the cores of turbos. I can do.
You're a handy guy.
Yeah.
Ah, you deserve a bit of good luck then, man, didn't you?
My lady, as soon as I won, she says, do you know what? Like, because she's been doing a lot recently for over Christmas for helping people, because she runs her own little sticker. It's called Circuit. And do you know the hashtag on it sticker, what you've got?
Yeah.
She can make stuff like that. And, t-shirts, like you
Yeah, printing t-shirts, that type of thing.
she can make all.
So she's doing all of that?
Yeah, she can do all that sort of stuff. So she says she's been doing a lot for Christmas for help people who are unfortunate, like
that's
donating
good.
a lot.
What's the Instagram name called?
She hasn't got an Instagram at the moment. She's only on Facebook and everything.
Go on, give her a little plug, man. What's the?
Her name's Rebecca Williams.
So hopefully you can do this JCB thing, yeah? That's the plan for you. You got a new car. Are you going to keep the car? You sell it?
My plans are to keep it.
You want to try and keep it? I suppose it's going to be.
I really do want to keep it, like, on a truthful level. Like, I'm not just saying it because I'm here in spare of the moment. I actually do want to keep it.
Do you know what? I am so
I know
glad
it works.
I'm so glad you won this car.
I promise you, like, I'm
Honestly,
so thankful for that.
well
like,
done,
it's
man.
Unreal, like, it's literally unreal.
What a bit of luck you've had. Like, this is kind of what I wanted when I started off doing Planet of Dreams. I want to give back, but not just give back, but give back to the right people. And it feels like
when you first did the website, I did message you saying there's not many people that do this. Like, there isn't. I see quite a few YouTubers who do. You see it like they're in it for themselves. They aren't in it for pleasing people and entertainment basis.
Yeah.
I do see a few that are in it for themselves, but good on them. It's their job.
That's their business,
job.
whatever. Of course.
It's what they do for a living.
Yeah.
But when you see people like yourselves doing,
I enjoy it. I think what people
Do you know what I
don't
mean?
see from my point of view is I love it as well. Like, I get to get my channel, I've got my Instagram, I've been doing TikTok, I enjoy all of it and I love it. So what I get to do, like, this is great for me. I've been excited about meeting you just as much as you've probably been excited about coming down
I barely
today.
slept.
Like,
I promise you, I barely
exactly. Like,
slept.
for me to give this car to you is a great thing for me. So although seemingly it's generous, and it is quite generous, but
It is very generous.
I'm loving it as well, man.
There's not many people who would give a car away like this.
Yeah, well,
You know what I mean?
but I appreciate.
Even the person who wins the GBS, like, they're gonna be jumping for joy.
Yeah.
They've won a car.
You've
like,
won a
that
car.
they can play with.
It's been a tough time for you, isn't it?
Yeah.
You've got 3 kids, you've got your missus, you ain't been working, your Astra's been giving you nothing but grief.
Nothing but grief like that.
Mate, I am so happy for you, man.
I'll send you a picture of the Astra when I get
Send
back.
me a picture of the Astra. If you're okay
go
with it,
both.
send me a shot of the family as well. Like,
Yeah,
we'll get
yeah,
if you're okay to
definitely.
put a shot of the family
Yeah, definitely.
in the video. We're going right back in here where the van is. I'm so happy that I've set up this platform and someone like you's won this car. Do you know that? I'm over the moon.
I'm thankful for it, honestly, like, I really am.
Thanks everyone for watching. If you want to know how you can be in for a chance of winning any prizes, I'll put a link for Planet of Dreams in the description below. The rules are basically you've just got to be a supporter of my platform. These videos generate ad revenue and I spend ad revenue on things like this to give back to my followers, all right? So providing you're a subscriber, you follow me on Instagram and stuff, more than welcome to enter for free on all of these prizes, all right? So we're going to leave it at that. I'll put a link to your Instagram in the description below, because if anyone wants to reach out to you for whatever reason, I know you're not active on there, but if they want to contact you, for the stickers or whatever
As
you
soon
want.
as I won, I got a few followers. I appreciate
Thank you very
Calvin.
much, mate.
I really do. I really do.
Guys, hit like, hit subscribe,
Make sure you enter.
and I'll see you in the next video, all right?